What's up, guys? It's Mike here with Grow Indoors 365, and yeah, I didn't get kicked out, but I am moving locations. I'm back, guys. Here's where I am. Here's what's going on. This is literally the new lair as of now. Yeah, check out that weight bench. I use that once a year. So much has happened in the last 2 months. I had a child, so give me a thumbs up for that. Give me a thumbs up for having a kid. Super cute kid. It's a girl. Feel free to congratulate me in the comments, but let's get back to what this videos are really all about. Okay, needed to make some space upstairs, so literally I'm turning this huge, large basement area into my grow area. Okay, that's why you see everything. It didn't take too long to actually break everything down, and it looks like the actual tent fits in perfectly. I mean, look how perfect it is, right up to that top line right there. So I'm just kind of getting things adjusted. Really been itching to get back into the growing phase of things, but finally got this thing set up. Let's just open this up real quick. I'm actually really excited to start making videos again, guys. Super stoked. So welcome back again. Let me just turn the camera around. If you guys are new to the channel, my name is Mike. I'm an indoor grower. I run Grow Indoors 365. You can always find me also on growindoors365.com. All the links are down below for everything that I use. If you're looking to grow like me, hit the links down below. Also, give me the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. This way you are notified every single time I post a video, which starting now, I'm back to every week, guys. Back to every week. And I'm also going to do some product reviews. I know I overpromise, and I do apologize about that, but hopefully I'll actually stick to it. So this is what's going on, and if you guys noticed, oh hey, you guys remember this guy? It's Fernando. That's my cat Fernando, and there's my other cat. That's Gambit. How cute is he? I'm not sure if I showed this guy. Psst, psst. Hey, psst, psst, psst. Okay, he's not listening. There he is. He's super cute. So this is like my lair. I actually really like it down here. It's a bit chilly, so hopefully it doesn't affect the whole crop situation, but I think the lights will get nice and warm inside. Just kind of still setting things up. The rack, this is, so if you guys are new to the channel and you guys are looking to start indoor grow, that's what I got set up. That's your grow tent. This is basically your storage shelves. This is what I use to set up my reservoirs across, as you could see. You probably saw in my previous videos, and that's how you probably got there, got to this channel. So I set them up on the bottom, I set them up here, and the lights go right underneath each row. And it's pretty cool. I got some old lights too here. I remember I did a review on this light. If you guys, the Mr. Hua light, yeah, I might be looking to give that one away like real soon. And also, if you guys remember, actually it's all underneath there. I gotta clean up some of this place. It is absolutely a disaster down here. I mean, look at everything that I use. This is a lot of the stuff that I use. I gotta set this whole thing up. This is just getting crazy. This is the large light. It's got 8 lights at the bottom of it. Then I also have these 4. Actually, it doesn't have. No, it doesn't have 8. It's got 4. I mean, yeah, it's got 4. I was gonna say, wow, 8. So I got the 8 single piece like that. I might actually have to buy a single light because I remember one of them being broken. I mean, I haven't posted a video for 2 months. It's been a little while, so I'm really anxious to start making some new content and kind of like just building this area out, because it's kind of like my little chill spot. Got some, I don't know, got some Nintendo 64 down here. I got my TV. Things are all set up, but it's kind of, we primarily use this whole place for storage. But I really want to start hanging. I love hanging out down here. It's a little dusty, but it's so nice and like, it's cool in the summers, which is great, but in the winters it gets really cold, and that's actually concerning to me. If you guys have any recommendations for a basement grow like this, I might have to, unfortunately might have to just open up like a space in the vent and just put a vent in it. This way it blows out some hot air into the basement that will allow for it to be a little warm, because I mean the basement's obviously theoretically under, it's below ground. You're on a slab right here, and it's going to get chillier. So it's going to be important to make sure that this room stays pretty warm. Well, when I'm talking about the storage room, I mean not the storage room. The tent, the grow tent, has to stay nice and warm. So I got these, 1, 2, 3 windows down here. Open them up during time to time, but it's all about what's going to be happening right here. So I'm really excited to get back into growing some fresh greens, all sorts of things. And I mean, I don't know. I could definitely set up, let me see here, definitely one there. I could probably set up a smaller one right here, but I'm going to be setting up some shelving right here. And I got this small grow tent, which I can't recall. Actually, I made a video about setting this thing up, but now it just houses a bunch of my wife's like jackets or something. I don't even know. A lot of people do this. As you can see here, there's all sorts of jackets, and a lot of people actually buy these type of things, and that's what they do. They literally put clothing in them. Okay, it's pretty genius actually. It keeps them from being dusty, and it's also really good jam-packed way to kind of get a lot of clothing into one. It has the rack up top, so it's pretty cool. But I was watching some earlier videos of mine, especially the super big one. I think that's reached well over 300,000 views now, of me showing you guys A to Z on how to grow and create reservoirs and germinate. So really excited to start getting that going. So it's going to be great. And this is going to be the new setup right here. So all right, well, I'm going to make this video short. I'm not going to go too much longer into it, but I'm going to keep you guys updated as I get this thing filled up. Okay, and what that means is literally just getting this inside there, getting all my lights set up, running the electric to there, because right now I have the electric running from over there right over to here to the TV, kind of this little station right here. So I'm also going to have to I'm going to have to figure it out how I'm going to do it and what I'm going to do, but I have to figure out how to run just basically the same way, an extension cord down this way, bring it down, and below there is where I will set up. See, this is some of the stuff that I use. Obviously, if you guys hit the links down below, you'll see I got my extension cord, multi outlet there with the timer. That's the one I use. I'm not sure which ones you guys use, but this is the one that I use. So you got all your ones that always stay on, and one side that's affected by the actual timer. My grow lights, these are the T5 grow lights, and of course you want to make sure to only use the general hydroponic pumps, and those are the only ones I recommend using because they're literally the best. And that's really it. And see, I'm actually getting literally kicked out quicker and quicker. Yes. As my wife continues to bring down things, because she's, I don't know, she just doesn't want that stuff up there anymore. I have a baby now upstairs, but not that it really matters because it was all kept in one kind of space. But yeah, it's all coming down. If you guys aren't aware, I only use Botanicare Kind for my fertilizer. I use the base, the grow, and the bloom, and of course to maintain my growing mediums to get things going, I use the Clonex. All these links are down below, are available. This is how I keep all my my clay pebbles, my hydrotone. That's what it's right there. And some of this older equipment that I have, this super old pump, it's actually pretty good, but it can't do the large 20 plus pound reservoirs like I'm using. It can't generate enough air to really percolate inside to really do anything that the roots will actually enjoy. So all right, so this is it. This is the new home. This is where you guys are going to be seeing me hang out, and I'll probably be giving you a lot more updates because I might be transforming this area a little cooler. I don't know, it'd be cool to have a couch in here. Unfortunately, I recently got rid of a couch, but yeah, this is going to be it. If you guys have any suggestions, if you actually have or maintain your grow, whatever type of grow it is, in your basement, let me know what you're doing to maintain heat. Let me know what you're doing to keep out bugs or anything like that might be crawling up, like spiders and stuff. Like, what do you spray inside, indoor, in your basement to get rid of any type of spiders? Because I definitely don't want anything like that, jeopardizing my grow, especially lettuce. You guys know I love growing lettuce. So that's really it, guys. Again, this is Mike. Let me talk to you guys real quick. This is Mike from Grow Indoors 365. Thank you all for continuously watching my videos. Thank you for the strong audience of growers or people that are motivated to start growing indoors. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Again, make sure to give me the thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell for the notifications, and I'll see you guys here in a couple days. All right, have a good weekend.